Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 5 of your assessment paper number 13. Okay, so let's take a look at the question first. Let's take a look at the question. It says the price of a camera and a VCD player in shop A is in the ratio of 8:3. So let's write that down first. Shop A, 8:3. Okay, shop A, what to what? Camera to VCD. So camera to VCD, what is the price? 8:3. Okay, good. We've got that one down. Next part of the question, it says, in shop B, the price of the camera is 15% less and the price of a VCD player is 20% more. So we don't know what the price is yet, so we don't write it down. The next part, it says the price of a camera in the shop A is 720. So basically the camera, which is 8 parts, is basically equal to 720. Question is, what is the ratio of the selling price of camera to VCD player in shop B? So first of all, let's find out what's the price of the VCD player. Okay, so very simple. Now that we know 8 units equals 720, you'll find out what is 3 units. So 3 units is basically 720 divided by 8, and that will give me 1 unit. And then we multiply it by 3. Okay, 90 times 8 will give you 720. Alright, and so times 3, 9 times 3 will give you 27. So the answer is $270 for VCD player. So, wow, what was that? Okay, it's a ship. Anyway, C to V in shop A would be, as we can already know, is 720 to $270. Now, let's take a look at the next part. It says the price of the camera is 15% less and the price of a VCD player is 20% more in shop B. So here's what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to put the shop B here. Okay, this is very untidy. Don't do this in your exam. I just have no space. Okay, for camera, it's 720. How much more or less? It's 15% less. So what you need to find, what you need to understand is this is equal to 100%. We'll take this as 100% and this as 100% as well. So if it's 15% less in shop B for the camera, it basically means it's 85%, correct? And the VCD player would be 120%. So let's find out what these numbers are. So first of all we have to do is take 85% times 720. So 85% times 2720. So we just equals to, we put it in our calculator, 85% is 85 divided by 100, which gives you 0.85, and we times 720, and we get $612. So now we know what's the price of the camera in shop B. And for the 120%, we just take 120% times 270. Okay, same thing, 1.2 times 270. It will give you $324. So now I found out that this is $324. Okay, so now I just have to reduce it to make sure that to get the ratio of the selling price of the camera to VCD in shop B. So it looks very daunting. It looks very scary. Okay, let's try divide it by. Let's try if we can divide it by 4. Okay, divide by 4. Can we divide by 4? Can. Okay, 612 divided by 4. Can. So 153 is to 81. Looks like 9 is a number, but let's try by 9. Can. Divide by 9 we get 17. Therefore we get 1 times 1 get 81. 9 times 9 we get 81. Am I right? Yep. So 17 is to 9. Can we go any further? Divide by 3? No, we cannot. Therefore the answer for part A is 17 is to 9. Okay. Very good job if you got that one right. And let's take a look at part B. If Mr. Lee buys a camera and a VCD player from shop B, how much money will he gain or lose compared to shop A? Very simple question. In other words, if you were to add up the prices of this and this, and if you were to add up the prices of this and this, which one will be more cheaper or expensive if he buys from shop B? Okay, so let's find out. 720 plus 270 will give you, so just write down there, 720 plus 270 will give you 990, 990, and 612 plus 324 will give you what? 936. Am I right? Yep. So 990 minus 36. 990 minus 936, sorry. Excuse me. $54. Therefore, if he buys it from shop A, he will actually save $54. But since he bought it from shop B, if he bought it from shop B, he did buy it from shop B, so it's cheaper. Therefore, he saved $54. In other words, he gained $54. If you get that question right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And that brings me to the quote of the week. And the quote of the week is: emotions can be your greatest allies in life, but too much of them will destroy you. I don't have to repeat this over and over again. You understand what I mean, okay? Sometimes when we want to win so much, what happens? We get so desperate. We do so many things, and sometimes we even cheat. I know we've been in that position before. All of us have done it, and we realize that it's wrong because our emotions have gotten the best of us. But if we don't let that happen, guess what? It can be our motivation. It can be a source of our inspiration, and we can move forward and change the way the results. We can change our results, and we can do better. And we can be better, and we can have better stuff. All right. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.